In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to apply Federal Bank Gold Loan online. To apply for a Federal Bank Gold Loan, first thing to do is to open up a web browser. In the search box, type in www.federalbank.co.in and press enter. From the official page of Federal Bank, go ahead and mouse over to these two tabs over here and select the type of loan you'd like to apply for under loans. Since we are going in and applying for gold loans, let's go ahead and click the gold loans option. Now scroll down and click on the apply online button in order to apply for federal gold loans online. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your details. Enter your full name. On the next field, if you have an account with Federal Bank, you can go ahead and enter your 14-digit Federal Bank account number. If you don't, you may skip this box and head over to the next field. Select your country from the drop-down and then enter your mobile number. On the next field, enter a valid email address for yourself. Select your state next. From the drop-down, select your preferred brand and then on the right-hand side, select your district and finally enter the text verification code displayed at the bottom. After you are done with it, click the submit button and follow through the prompt. Now, once your request for the gold loan, you'll be contacted from Federal Bank representatives and the further process will be carried on. That is how you can easily apply for gold loans on Federal Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to it and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.